Alright guys, this might be a really stupid idea, but I have another unboxing and I'm going to do it right by the Beehive entrance just to show that they're just being busy and they got no time to mess around with me. Here's the package I received. Okay. I like my old glasses. Alrighty, so oh, there's the coin. Envelope situation. Okay, so let's get that. And let's pull that out. So we've got a Conder token, half penny. Come on out. There you are. And we'll just place that right there so we can see it with the macro lens. There we go. Alright. And that's pulled all the way out. This is how mess with a really highly detailed macro lens. So yeah, there's some stuff on this edge. And here's the front side. 1789 Conder token, half penny, with looks like someone who's very industrious, which fits along with the Macclesfield R & Company and the classic rebus for industry, which is the Beehive. This is not a rebus, but it's a bright sunny day. And then we get the whole thing in view. Right on. That's really pretty. So looks gorgeous in the macro lens. So this says, so we have the X, payable at Macclesfield, Liverpool, or Congleton. Again, here is the front, the little gear. Alright, so let's see what the bees think of it. Like me being here. But they're not in my face yet. Yeah, let's just see what the bees think of it. It's right in their doorway. It's funny. But yeah, as long as I stay out of the hive, the runway, they're usually pretty fine with me being here. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. I'll just leave this on and I'll probably do it in, maybe I'll do some slow motion.
Mm-hmm.